Hi, this is Nehal from Ad Pros, and in today's video, I want to share with you what happens when a proven ad stops working. So the first thing is, if you haven't checked out the video with the 5 metrics that we give our creative team, I suggest you go through that first. Now, when you have a proven ad, you have to define what that is. And so with these 5 metrics, you're able to look and analyze of which of these ads, why are they working, what are the metrics that they're working based off of, and then what are the benchmarks across a winning ad. But now that you have that and it's not working, here's what we do. So the first thing is, what are the different elements of your ads that are working? And so the different elements that we look at are, first, the text description. This is the text above the media, so above the video or graphic that you're using. Then it's the actual media that you're using, the video or graphic. After that, there's the headline, there's the text description, and there's the call to action button. So those are 5 different elements of an ad. Now, with those elements, if you can define a winner, beautiful. That way that you can isolate what part of that ad is working and then create variations like we're going to talk about here shortly. But if you don't know what the winner is, that's okay. What I would do at this point is, now that you have 5 moving parts, if you're not using a call to action button, there's 4 moving parts between the text description, the media headline, and the link description for the headline. Now that you have those, I would create up to 5 variations for each of those. And what you want to do once you have those 5 variations is start isolating them and see if you can find winners. And so here's what I mean. If you use the same text description, same headline, same link description for an ad, and all you're doing are first just changing the media. So you can put different stock photos. If you're in the guru business, you're putting your photo or different variations of that. If you're putting a video that's animated, that is just 10 seconds, 15 seconds with just a background moving with a fixed element, whatever the case is, all you're doing is you're keeping the other 3 or 4 elements the exact same. And then what you're doing is you're just changing the media, in this case the graphic or the video. Now that you have an asset, an asset list of 25 different pieces, now what you can do is start isolating one of those variables at a time and launch new assets. And so what will happen is you'll have a lot of different variations and you'll be able to find winners relatively quickly. So when you have these audiences, what we try to do is just take them and put them into winning ad sets, just so that we're not testing targeting or campaign optimization of some sort, whether we're doing any kind of different bidding structures or any kind of optimization at the campaign level or ad set level. We just put them into successful campaigns just to minimize as many variables as possible, and then see if we can find winners based off of the benchmarks that we already have. So this is what we do if we have some winners. In the next video, I'm going to be showing what to do when you have winners and you've tried creating variations but nothing's working, when you have to do a much bigger change and you have to change everything, throw everything out and start again from scratch. I'll see you in the next video.